welcome back to Becky's Corner. So in today's video, we are going to be doing who can eat the most plates of food. Currently, we are going to Mang Shanghai, the restaurant. We are going to be eating like
Shanghai is a place where you can eat as much as you like.
Yeah, and then it's just like one price. So we're going to be seeing who can eat like the most food. I think I'm going to eat the most food personally because I always eat the most food. You say the word with the words. Yeah.
Definitely going to win this.
I know, I'm
My
definitely going to
is very large. When I want to eat, I want to eat.
No, I'm going to definitely eat the most food.
It's going to be fun. We might not be able to talk well at the restaurant. As we're eating, we're going to be counting how many plates.
But guys, if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified whenever we upload a new video. And also smash the like button and comment down below what's your favorite restaurant, I guess. See you guys.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
This is my plate. This is Diamond's plate. I've got some fried rice and I've got some noodles as well. And this is Amanda's. This is Alice. Ooh, yummy.
I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice.
See, Amanda is getting tired of her meal. She can't go for that. Want to win, you don't get Coke. Diamond also got Coke. Diamond has finished her. This plate is gone. I don't know if she's going for the second plate. Amanda has not gone anywhere with her plate. Alice has not gone anywhere. Alice is having fries. She had Coke as well. This is mine. I'm going for another round. I'm not filled up as well. I took pineapple juice because I want to be the winner.
Alice said apparently the nuggets are really, really good. So I think I might go and try those now. I'm going to get some fries, some spicy noodles, and also some fries.
I'm also going for the second round now.
Ooh, so good. Look how we look.
In the end, but if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting.
What Diamond got. Amanda is still hitting her same plate. This is my second plate. This is what I got. Alice is still hitting her own. The first plate.
I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store.
This is my plate too. This is Diamond's plate too. Second plate. She's not eating anything. 1, 2 plates. She's tired.
No way. I need a beer. I'm going to this for 2 seconds.
Alice is having jelly, the jelly girl. You don't want this anymore. Okay, let's sit down. Sit down and have jelly. Jelly baby. Mona is having jelly too.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't.
I was saying I was going to eat 10 plates.
I'm definitely going to win this.
I know, I'm
My
definitely going to
is very large. When I want to eat, I want to eat.
No, I'm going to definitely eat the most food. Now I can barely manage to finish 2 plates. I literally said I won't eat 10 plates, I won't eat 10 plates. Now I can barely eat 2 plates. If I'm some ice cream, I literally love ice cream, yeah. I mean, a little,
Call you little Amala. Diamond had 1 plate. This is a whole lot. She didn't have anything. This is my 3rd plate. So I'm the winner. And I had not even up to 1. It's not even. No, this is not 1. You didn't even eat it. No. And this is your jelly. You didn't eat it as well.
Forever, when I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I'm literally, I feel like I'm pregnant.
I'm the winner of this game.
No, I'm the winner.
Just stop it, Diamond.
I'm blatant. I know.
Stop
I
shaking
took,
your hand, Diamond.
Sorry.
She took 1 plate and quarter.
I know.
And then she took
I took
Coke.
2 plates. I took 2 plates. I took
Diamond,
Coke.
why
I
not
took.
just be real. Be honest.
No, I
She
did.
took 1 1/4 of unje, and I took 3 good plates. 3. I took 3 plates. Now I can't
You
even
didn't.
walk. I'm feeling tired and slippery.
Shaking the camera. That's how tired I am. I feel like I'm gonna faint right now.
Right now, I'm so tired. Until you, we are all filled up. Everybody is filled up. Even Amanda and Alice, they cannot even. And Shanghai. The restaurant is very close to our house.
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever we put a new video. And then also hit the like button and comment down below.
Smash it! Focus it!
And share to friends and family. We love you guys and we'll see you all in our next video. Bye bye.